So whilst it's super easy to make a pair of strappy shoes using these platform units and just using your foot as the last, if you wanted to make a closed toe shoe or boot, you would actually need to have a last in order to do that. So one question I get asked quite a lot is, can I make a closed toe shoe and then just attach the platform on afterwards? And the answer is like yes and no. How it usually works is that the platform would be made to suit the last itself. This is in a factory setting, or alternatively, the last would be made to fit the platform units that you want to be using. So it's really not as easy because it's super important that they fit together perfectly like a puzzle. You could build up your last so that it fits into your platform unit perfectly. If you have a look up close, you could sort of build that out in a square sort of toe so that it fits nicely in there. But the most important thing that you have to make sure fits well is the pitch of the last and the pitch of the platform, making sure that there's no massive gap in there like that. So yeah, it can be done, but it's certainly not easy. But do let me know if you have any questions on that, and I'm happy to explore it further if anybody's interested.